I think
You were crying like a baby.
I was crying like a baby. Woo! That car sounds so good with the Corsa, man. All right, guys, before we hit the road, I wanted to talk to you about what I consider to be the 3 categories of Corvette owners, and I'm curious where you lie in these 3 categories. Now, before I get started, I do want to say it's not my place or anybody else's place to tell somebody what they need to do with their car. If you purchase your car, you live your life the way you want with yours. But I am curious where everyone lies. To me, the first category is a guy who owns it, or woman, who owns a Corvette and keeps it in the garage, doesn't really go out and take it out a lot, but they do like to take it to the car shows and, you know, build that camaraderie with the other Corvette owners, which I certainly understand is one of my favorite things to do with my car. That's the first one. Number 2 is the one that isn't really interested in car shows, just wants to go out driving, you know, having fun, you know, doing some back road drives, you know, driving in groups. That's category number 2. And then category number 3 is the person who buys a Corvette really isn't interested in hanging out in the Corvette community. They just buy it to drive. They like the car. They take it to work. They do whatever, you know, and they don't really get involved with a lot of other people. It's just their daily. So out of those 3 categories, which one are you? Are you a blend of one of the 3 or 2 of the 3? I like to drive my car, but I don't want to just mile it up because, you know, usually whatever car I have is kind of a stepping stone to the next car. So I'm definitely going to drive it and enjoy it. But I also really like doing car shows and getting to meet all the different people. So I like to kind of I'm kind of a blend between the first 2. But again, where are you? I've got a really nice neighbor. He bought a Corvette. I tried to get him to do a couple things. He was like, I'm not really interested. So he just wants to drive his car, which is cool. You know, I have no problem with that. But I'm just curious where everybody stands. Anyway, let me know down in the comments. Let's get out of here. So there's just a few of us here right now. I'm going to go ahead and hit some of the cars that are with us today. This is my neighbor, Jimmy. So he's lowered his, I believe it's the Paragon springs that he used to lower this because this is a non-Z51. But check it out. He's got the 5VM front splitter on here and wheels that are really similar to mine. I forget the brand, but this thing is absolutely beautiful. Looking great since it's been lowered. Of course, the carbon flash, racing stripes. Love this car. He also has the red engine air intake, or red engine intake right here. Oh, and he's got some carbon fiber in there as well on the little vent covers. Really nice. And of course, you guys all know Tim, Dad's Garage. Go follow him, Dad's Garage, Dad's Cars. But of course, Blade Silver 2016, I believe. Z06, Z07 right here. Yeah, he's got cameras on the front, so it would be a 2016. But very nice. All the carbon fiber on here. Man, this is a beautiful, one of my favorite cars. Of course, then we have, but very nice, C6, Arctic White. I like the stinger on here. Check it out. Really cool. And is that a panoramic roof? I think it is. Yep, it is a panoramic roof, the tinted glass. Very nice. Now, this is one of the coolest ones, I think, right here, man. I'm sorry. I love this. By the way, her husband drives this car every now and then. He says women walk up to him all the time and want to drive it. So if you're a guy and you are single, maybe get a wrap like this. I don't know how it's going to show up, but there is a massive amount of sparkle in this thing. This car, I will tell you, I think it's really nice. You know, it's maybe one of those love it or hate it things. I don't know, but I love it. And look, she had her calipers painted to match, and they turned out absolutely fantastic. What's up, Buckies? How you doing? So he's getting ready to tell us to get out of here. They're not allowed to have car shows or anything like that. We're not having a car show. We are just meeting up to leave. And this is Mike. Mike's Z06. Love this. Of course, obviously, it will be a manual transmission because of the fact that it is a C6 Z06 and it wasn't really an option. Really nice. And of course, we've got Bill Mobley right here. Boy, love Bill. This is a twin turbo C8. Check it out. I believe this one is also for sale because he has an E-Ray coming very soon. It's got the 5VM front splitter and side skirts. This wrap is insane too because they did a fantastic job. Inside the door sills and everything are also wrapped to match because I believe it is Arctic White underneath. man, they did an incredible job. This thing turned out fantastic. And again, like I said, it is twin turboed. And I can't remember what the horsepower on this thing is, but it's really sweet. And then, of course, we got mine. We've had a lot of people out waving today, saying hello. We only been here like 20 minutes, and so many people stopped by, of course. Accelerate Yellow, mine. So we are getting ready to head out. We're going to head out to, we are going to Louisville, wherever the heck Louisville is from here. And we're going to meet up with Tweety and some other people. And we're going to keep on driving, and we're going to go get lunch. So let's get moving. What'd you think, T?
Man, I told him this is my favorite car, period.
Yeah. So guys, check this out. All carbon fiber. Do you know who makes the carbon again on this? I'll ask him in a minute.
Yeah, you gotta ask.
All
you know
carbon fiber front. Yeah, the professor over here. Z06. Check it out. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Wide body. Hey Brandon, who's the carbon fiber again? What company?
Anderson Composite.
Anderson Composite. I knew that. I followed them. I couldn't remember what the heck it was.
And Anderson Composite is my rear diffuser on my C70.
My goodness. They do. I mean, look at this. And these wheels. Hey, what are the wheels? Who are the wheels?
Forge Light.
Forge Light. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh. I actually need these for mine. Oh my goodness. This is a 70th anniversary edition C8. I think it's a 70th. I'm lying. It's not. We'll just call it that. I don't know. We're going to do a full video on this car. We'll get Brandon to show us and walk us through. But man, this thing is absolutely bad to the bone. And if you remember him, he had the C7, or still owns it, C7 Z06 with the same carbon. Look, everything was carbon fiber all over that car. So I assume the other mods will be coming later, because I know his last Z06 was not even close to stock. There's Scott right there in his C5. Champagne interior. Interior champagne.
No, light oak and black.
Light oak and black on this C5. Very, very nice. Love this one. Except the white C6 right here. What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's up, man? What's up?
This is his car right here. C8 Stingray R. Just like mine. Got the Accelerate Yellow Stingray R. Very nice. Got the EOS Doug Bill on the back right here. Some other EOS stuff on this car, but I love this one too. He had a C7 Grand Sport, and it got stolen. That always sucks. Right here, T, you guys know Ghost. Always gonna know Ghost. I mean, this one definitely stands out in a crowd. Callaway 757 on the horsepower on this beast. Another nice convertible black C6, and I love the headlights. The one thing I don't care for on the headlights is this on the C6 is the headlights. I'm just not a fan. It's not really my look. This looks fantastic. And of course, Howard's out here with his white C8. And I love the white wheels. I say that all the time. And I do. Every time I see this car, I see those wheels, and I just think they look so cool together. But of course, we got the rest of the lineup out here. Everybody meeting up. And we can't forget Tweety. You can never forget Tweety. Tweety Berg. Right here with his rapid blue C8. Beautiful convertible. I don't know if I'll have the top down today or not. You gonna put the top down?
Yes, sir.
Dang right. All right. And he's got his ACDC shirt on. We've seen Back in Black,
Hey,
and I've seen Back in Black.
Jingle Hell's Bells, baby.
Amen,
That's
man.
my Christmas ACDC
Yes,
shirt.
huge fan of ACDC and Back in Black, the cover band that is so phenomenal. How many times have you seen Back in Black?
Dozens and dozens. Saw him last night at Choctaw.
Every time I
went
see
to
you, you're
Choctaw.
at their concert somewhere, man.
went to Choctaw.
Biggest fan right here. He's an ACDC fan, Black and Black fan. But anyway, we're getting ready to get rolling out here. We're at Costco out here in, where are we at again? Louisville. So we're going to keep moving. We got one more car pulled up right here. This is my buddy Andrew, who also lives out here by me. Well, not out here by me, but by me. This is the 70th anniversary edition. So look at all that beautiful Alcantara microfiber suede inside on this carbon flash paint. And we hooked them up with HG Motor Sports, and check out all of the carbon fiber on this. Man, this thing is decked out. Such a beautiful spec and convertible, man. I love convertibles. I love the coupe because you can see the engine, but you know, like mine, you can always see the engine when you put that glass on there. Granted, it does have to be up, but still, I love it. I love the convertible, love this car. But yeah, so I don't know if you can see everybody out here today. Everybody's dressed for the most part in jackets and hoodies and long pants and all that. And then you got me, like always, short sleeve shirt, shorts. It's just how I roll. And we are about to roll, so let's get out of here. This place, Keller's Burgers in Dallas. Looks like it must be pretty good, but it is packed out. Following Tim in here. Guess we'll see. All right, guys, so we are about to go inside, but their prices aren't terribly bad. They got a hamburger, the best. We're gonna find out what that is. $3.85. They got cheeseburgers, $4.35. Grilled or steak sandwich, $6. They have fries and all that. Ooh, add jalapenos, 50 cents. I love me some jalapenos, but I'm a cheat. But hey, look at shakes, $3.25. Not bad. But we're gonna go. Let's go see what the food tastes like.
Yeah, let's do
You ready?
it. Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do it.
My wife is actually ready.
Yeah, so you're ready too, right? Yeah, it's been a while. Exactly. Let's go check this place out. Think, Tim? Hey!
What an adventure.
It was an adventure. Everybody got lost. I know I got lost. I was like, all right, I'm leaving.
I think
You were crying like a baby.
I was crying like a baby. I was like, not a good, like, you know, complaining. I better leave that out of the video.
probably recommended.
Yeah, so I was complaining like a small child.
As you were driving by Corvette World.
I was like, I'm going to Corvette World and I'm going home.
You're
I
20
think
minutes.
14 out of 15 of us were lost.
Yeah, it was, we're going to need to do a better job next time. We need to
Not in city.
Not yet.
The city thinks a killer.
We found that out when we did one a couple of years ago. I just know that Bill's car, those turbos sound ridiculous up there.
Yes, I do.
His turbo sounded ridiculous, and I don't know where Andrew went, but his C8 with the no Corsa, he has Corsa, but he has high flow cats. Those high flow cats, I was like, oh my gosh, that thing sounds insane. But yeah, man, this place is really cool. I'm ready to see what the food is like. But
It must be good with this many people.
Dude,
'cause
tell me about
look
it.
at it. It's like 5 rows of cars just packed. No place to even park.
Yeah, it's packed on the other side. It's packed on this side. I mean, we got it's all over here, you know.
But they crank out the food.
Yeah.
Like 5 minutes, you put your order in, and they're running it out here.
Yeah. So I'm excited to see what it tastes like. I'm gonna
Yeah,
go
me
sit down
too.
over there with like T and Dave and all those guys.
I don't notice anybody throwing them away.
Yeah, everybody seems to be eating pretty good. No issues.
I haven't ordered yet.
Oh, you haven't? Oh,
Oh,
so the
geez.
girl, I don't remember what her name is, but she'll be right back out. Yeah.
All right, so check it out. Not bad. $385. Pretty good deal. What do you think?
Not bad.
Yeah, look at that. He's got bacon. Dude,
Chicken, bacon, yeah.
Oh my gosh, chicken and bacon. That's heavenly. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. As you can see, it's pretty dark out. My wife would be a little annoyed that I took all day to be out with the guys, but it was a lot of fun. So let me know down in the comments, which are you though? Are you the kind of guy who wants to just kind of hang out at the car shows and share your car and get, you know, the camaraderie? Are you somebody who wants to go out driving all the time? Or are you the guy that owns the car and pretty much just takes it to work and, you know, running around town and has no interest in the Corvette community? Honestly, like I said before, there's no wrong answers. You do what you want with your car, but I'm just curious. But that's going to do it for today. I know I had a blast. I hope we got a little bit of decent footage for you guys, but that's going to do it. And hey, thanks for watching.